The majority of the men who are watching this video have either dated in the past, are dating, or plan to date soon. Different things turn our partners on in relationships, and it never happens in the same way for the sexes. Some women might assert that all it takes to make a man feel attracted to them is the way you dress or touch them. Before we begin, welcome to our channel, Dating Authority, the place where you come to get inspired to move forward in the dating world. Now, without further ado, let's get started. First, you have to learn to be nice to others. Kind people are very charming. You've probably heard that the best way to understand someone's true character is to pay attention to how they interact with people in lower positions, such as waiters, service personnel, and so on. Everyone enjoys receiving kindness. Everyone seeks a person with a good heart who is sympathetic and perceptive. A woman can see that a man is not just nice to her because she is attractive or because he wants something from her by the way he treats others. She can depend on him at any time because it's in his nature. Second, you should have a good sense of dressing. The phrase, "how you dress determines how you will be addressed," appears in many proverbs. Men who dress well are respected by women. She will say yes without you having to say much if your outfit exudes adorability, the response you were hoping for. Third, you should maintain eye contact with her. Making eye contact with someone we care about makes us feel good, according to scientific research. A man who keeps his woman in his gaze all the time makes her feel special. When he is staring at her, he's focused. It indicates that he values her and considers whatever she has to say to be deserving of his full attention. Fourth, you should start holding her hands. Approximately 40,000 nerve endings can be found in the palm of your partner's hands. Holding hands is a low-key way to express your love for your partner without worrying about what others think. So don't be afraid to grab it gently as you stroll down the street or watch a movie. Additionally, it's an undeniably cute way to pass the time while watching a movie or walking down the street. Fifth, you should develop humor. You might not be shocked by this. Experience has shown that women adore funny men. One of the main takeaways from the art of charm is that using humor is a great way to get a woman's attention because it puts her at ease in social situations that are typically awkward. Unsurprisingly, humor is a valuable tool when attempting to turn on a girl. Sixth, you should have brilliant intelligence. Studies show that one of the most critical qualities that women look for in a romantic partner is intelligence. And as many women have acknowledged, one aspect of intelligence that appeals to women is how a man presents himself. And most women don't deal with this on a daily basis. Men who are intelligent are also more aware of themselves. They are better at managing both themselves and conversations. Women find all of these appealing. Seventh, you should be vulnerable and your confidence must radiate. The majority of men believe they must always be tough. Men learn to repress their emotions at a young age. Because of this, most men are taught never to appear weak in front of women. In actuality, though, being vulnerable can make a woman feel more intimately connected to you. You can't just tremble up to a woman and pray that she says yes at the end of your tense performance, can you? Women adore confident, knowledgeable men. You must convey assurance. Naturally, confidence, but not arrogance. Despite your hesitation, you should try to curb the overexcitement that gave rise to it. Eighth, you should be emotionally present for her. A physical, mental, and emotional commitment must all be maintained. If your woman is telling you a story, pay attention. Don't be afraid to express your own feelings and experiences either. When they need you the most emotionally, they want you to be there for them. Ninth, you should be an alpha male with a deep voice. Girls and power have received a lot of attention. Leaders, typically alpha males, are attracted to girls by nature. The leader of the pack and frequently the man who always has the upper hand is the alpha male. To put it another way, you have to be the best if you want the best. Most women are attracted to a deep, husky voice. We all want things that we either can't have or don't have, which contributes to this. Typically, the voices of women are mild and soft, and it's wonderful to hear a man with a deep, powerful voice. Lastly, which is the 10th trick, you should let her let loose around you. This entails letting her enjoy herself while knowing you have her completely covered. Go swimming or go to the beach someplace where she can scream at the top of her lungs. Make her feel at ease in your presence. That's all for today's video. Do like and subscribe to our channel if you enjoyed the content. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you at the next one. Till then, stay tuned. Goodbye.